Hi, I'm Wendy. Happy holidays from all of us here at Paragon Acura. You are just in time for the Season of Reason sales event, and the MDX is on the list. This is the perfect SUV for any of you out there this holiday season. Sitting on super handling all-wheel drive, it delivers torque to road surface, so it not only increases dry weather handling, but any element Mother Nature has to throw its way. And with seating for 7, you're going to find you're in a roomy, spacious, and technology-rich cabin inside the MDX. It's perfect for those longer road trips or shorter hauls to the Home Depot with all that cargo space in the back. And you have all of the luxury and technology amenities that Acura is known and famous for. So what are you waiting for? Give us a call at 1-800-PARAGON or come visit us here in the Acura showroom. It's just in time for the MDX to put a big red bow on and set underneath the tree.